Presenting the 2011 Acura MDX. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.